At Njori, we're on a mission to bring professional cooking precision to the home cook. Our cooker was born from a shared love of good design, technology, and an obsession with fried chicken. Buckle up, guys.
The Njori Tempo is a portable smart induction cooker that can measure, monitor, and regulate temperature and weight constantly to help you compose perfect meals every time. We've been designing and developing products for a number of years. We also both love food and we love cooking. The more we were trying new techniques and recipes, the more we found that we were quickly filling our kitchens with bulky, single-use products.
Things like slow cookers, sous vide machines, temperature probes, deep fryers. I'm doing this, I just realised. The cost of all these gadgets really added up, and over time it turns out they weren't even that accurate.
This got us thinking, why isn't there a single product that offers complete control with endless possibilities to experiment, yet comes in a streamlined design that takes up a fraction of cupboard space? We created the Tempo to do just this. The sleek design makes the Tempo easy to store or transport. Accessories and cables tidy away neatly in the cork base, which is held closed by powerful magnets. I said that last bit really weird way, didn't I? Powerful magnets.
It's really easy to set up and start cooking with. You can use your own pan, and a magnetic dial allows you to seamlessly dial in a precise temperature right away. In Quick Start mode, the Tempo uses integrated sensors to precisely measure the temperature of your pan and maintain your target temperature, regardless of what you're cooking. That means you can be safer in the knowledge that you'll get consistent results every time.
The Tempo also has built-in scales, enabling you to measure ingredients directly in the pan before and during cooking. The reduce by weight functionality also brings new consistency to sauces and reductions.
Set your sauce to simmer, select your intended percentage reduction, and the Njori Tempo will alert you when it's time to head back to the kitchen.
We've designed our cooker to be super easy to navigate and experiment with.
The preset modes allow the user to explore a range of techniques that they've never tried before. The accessories are also attached via magnetic connectors. In sous vide mode, the circulator and probe combined turn the pan into a water bath, perfect for gentle cooking. This means you can enjoy restaurant quality and evenly cooked meat, fish and vegetables at home.
You can also use the probe for precision deep frying by easily attaching it to the side of your pan. This ensures your oil doesn't get too hot and is quickly brought back to target temperature after adding cold food.
You can't beat a good slow cook, but heavy slow cookers squander valuable cupboard space.
You didn't say squander properly.
Well, how did you not say squander? I think we should use your take. I'm sorry, I've wasted your time.
You can serve succulent stews or casseroles using your pan of choice with the Njori Tempo in slow cook mode.
From cooking perfect rice, precision poaching, or tempering chocolate, the Njori Tempo has you covered. It gives you precise and responsive temperature controls and all of the accessories you need to cook like a pro. And when you're finished, it's easy to clean and it won't clutter your kitchen.
We've worked tirelessly for 3 years developing the Njori Tempo, using all of our experience and design expertise. For us, this really has been a passion project. We've been working with experienced electronics engineers in developing both the power and control electronics, and we've now finished development and we're ready for the next stage of manufacture. We're really excited to be offering you the first chance to get your hands on the Njori Tempo. If you're ready to discover your cooking potential, back us today and take your cooking to the next level.
Forget to take the meat out of the freezer? Takes forever to defrost in cold water? Or even worse, overcooked by a microwave? Meet ICEGONE, a defrosting tray that thaws frozen food 8 times faster than room temperature air. And its premium grade material and structure makes it 3 times faster than competitors on the defrosting market. Just throw any kind of frozen items onto ICEGONE and they will be ready for you to cook in a flash. ICEGONE works like a charm without the use of electricity, batteries, water, or microwave. It speeds up the thawing process with the help of its sealed thermal liquid. After work, ICEGONE quickly goes back to room temperature for continuous thawing. You can defrost without waiting if you have a cookout with friends. Another benefit to own an ICEGONE is the fast cool down fresh food from the oven. Enjoy your delicious baking without a long time wait. Plus, ICEGONE is super easy to clean. Just one wet wipe and you can store it anywhere you want. Back us now and make ICEGONE your good helper in saving cooking time.
Your oven is lying to you. You might set your oven to 350, but inside it's heating and cooling constantly, so it's probably off by 30 to 50 degrees. That's a big problem, since cooking is a function of time and temperature. If one of those is off, the whole formula is wrong. We thought home cooks deserved an easy fix. Introducing the Misen oven steel. Made out of A36 steel, it'll keep your oven more accurate, give you better browning, and more evenly cooked food. It turns your $500 oven into a $5,000 one. How does it work? Simple. An oven is designed to turn on and off over and over while you're using it, in order to keep it within a range of a selected temperature. This causes fluctuations of up to 50 degrees above and below what you actually want. But thanks to steel's incredibly high thermal mass, it acts like a thermal battery in your oven. It collects and redistributes your oven's heat, reducing those variations to a range of only 5 to 10 degrees. Whether you're roasting on a sheet pan, braising in your Dutch oven, or cooking foods right on the steel, your oven will simply do its job better. You can just leave it there and let it do its magic. There are a few things that make the Misen oven steel special. First is its thickness. We tested a lot of options to find the perfect balance of thermal mass and weight. Choosing A36 carbon steel, we made ours 6 millimeters thick. Thicker steel was so heavy it was nearly impossible to move around, and thinner steel didn't have enough thermal mass, and so wasn't as effective at stabilizing the temperature fluctuations of a home oven. 6 millimeters was just right. Second is its size. It's 10 inches by 13.5 inches, making it a little smaller than other steels and stones. This makes it easier to maneuver while still being large enough for a standard quarter sheet roasting pan. What we sacrificed in size, we made up in versatility. 2 steels can be placed side by side in the oven, giving you more total surface area than anything else on the market. And with 2 steels, you can also put them on different racks in your oven for better overall cooking. It's a trick some pro chefs use in restaurants. This puts a thermal mass both above and below your food at the same time, giving it the intense heat it needs for crispier crusts and intense sears. Altogether, the oven steel is for so much more than just bread and pizza. Simply having one in your oven, you'll get better browning, more evenly cooked food, and more predictable cooking times every single time you use your oven. Like all Misen products, we spent hundreds of hours designing and testing to get the small things right. It may seem like a simple piece of steel, but obsessing over the details helped us perfect its features. Our designs and tooling are done, and we're ready to go straight into production. But first, we need your help. Your pledge will help make the Misen oven steel available to home cooks everywhere. So from all of us at Misen, thank you, and happy cooking.
Hi guys, please welcome Manoli, cast iron skillet with removable wooden handle. No more worries, as you will no longer burn your hands using the Manoli Skillet at home or outdoors. The Manoli Skillet is made of a single piece of cast iron and has a natural non-stick coating. All the food will be quality cooked. The Manoli cast iron skillet is perfect for cooking products from baked goods to meats and desserts. Manoli is a user-friendly skillet for all types of hobs, ovens and campfire. Thick walls are resistant to temperature deformation. High-quality materials allow to use the skillet for more than 10 years. You can eat right from the skillet without worrying about scratching it. It can be easily cleaned by any means and devices, thanks to its removable handle. Our skillet doesn't need much space for storage. Manoli, more than just a skillet.